Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP could not launch the game, this error. So basically what you'll need to do is just power on your PSP. Then if you are using the UMD disk, what you'll need to do is basically clean the UMD disk with the cloth, and right here just put the right and properly and make sure it is working. And the other thing we can do is basically if you click on the select button, you'll get something like this. And right here, make sure if you're using your PSP with UMD, you'll need to find your UMD ISO mode and change from normal to M33 driver or Sony MP9660. And if that doesn't work, and if you're using the SD card, what you'll need to do is make sure that your game file is .iso in the folder. And after that, if it is right, what you'll need to do is go basically select advanced, and right here you'll see the USB device memory stick. So make sure it is on USB read only is disabled, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.